Hello friends, we will discuss another question of destructive dilemma and disjunctive syllogism, which I have taken from the KLP Mishra book. So the question says that we have to prove that S is true, and we are given the premises P implies Q is true, P implies R is true, then negation of Q and R is true, and S or P is true. So using these premises, we have to prove that S is also true. So originally we are given P implies Q is true, P implies R is true. So when we can combine these two using the identity that we have given in RI2, that is conjunction rule, that if this is true, conjunction of these two will also give you true. So we have P implies Q and P implies R. Then we will take another premise. We will leave it like this for some time, and we will take another premise number 3, negation of Q or R. We will apply De Morgan's and open this bracket. So we get negation of Q or negation of P. Now if we look at 3 and 5, then we can apply destructive dilemma, that if P implies Q and P implies R are true, and either negation of Q or negation of R is true, then the origination at the imply either this P or this P, any one of them has to be negated. So we derive this negation of P or negation of P is true. This is destructive dilemma law. Now we can combine these two into negation of P using the idempotent, which says if you combine a preposition with itself, it will give the same preposition. And then we take the premise number 4, that S or P is true. Now if we combine these two, then using the disjunctive syllogism, if P is negated, then definitely S has to be true, because something is true between the two, only then this one is given as true. So therefore we can conclude that S is true. I hope this video is useful to you, and I will be discussing one more question, and this time the question is going to be in the sentence form.